For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9. President Trump has had a change of heart on masks. President Trump has long opposed face covering in public places. Marking a change in his approach, President Trump said he is all for masks. The United States President also revealed that he is now open to wearing face masks in public. During the pandemic outbreak, President Trump has refused to wear masks in public. President Trump said masks made him feel like Lone Ranger.
I had a mask on. I sort of liked the way I looked. It was okay. It was a dark black mask. I think I looked okay. I looked like the Lone Ranger. I have no problem with it. And if people feel good about it, they should do it. I don't know if you need mandatory. You have many places in the country where people stay very long distance. But I'm all for masks. I think masks are good.
President Trump also revealed that he has worn masks during some meetings. He also added that face coverings were not required because people are tested before being allowed to meet him. A national mask mandate could bring the coronavirus situation in control in the United States. A mask mandate could also be a substitute for nationwide lockdown. A study showed that mask mandate could save 5% of the GDP. This change shows a marked difference from President Trump's previous stand on masks. When the United States Centers for Disease Control had recommended masks in April, President Trump refused to accept it. "I don't think I'm going to be doing it," he said back then. "Wearing a face mask as I greet presidents, prime ministers, dictators, kings, queens, I just don't see it," President Trump had said. He had also claimed that people are wearing masks as a political message against him. President Trump has been widely criticized for the way he handled the coronavirus outbreak in America. The United States remains the worst affected country in the world. The United States has 2.74 million coronavirus cases and over 130,000 deaths. President Trump made yet another controversial statement regarding how the pandemic may end. He told reporters he thinks coronavirus will disappear someday. He also expressed confidence that a vaccine would be developed real soon.